Hey everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial of WordPress. In this tutorial we'll be taking you through the ads unit setup and creating your very first text ad campaign to display actions like text ads from Amazon on your WordPress blog. Now before we begin with the ad unit is basically designing the layout of the ad, the different options for that. So before we jump into ad unit, we're going to first go and create our first text ad campaign here, which is pretty simple. We're just gonna name this text ad campaign #1, and we can choose from a number of sizes, the text box sizes. Since Amazon API doesn't allow us to use a user-defined size, this is all the size that we can primarily use. It's like 300 into 250, which is pretty much my favorite. We could go for 468 into 60 if you're looking for something sleek, 615 to 520. So for initially we're going to start with 315 to 250 and take a couple more. Now keywords here are the helping keywords, right? So this will help the Amazon crawler, the Amazon spider, like the Google spider we have, the Amazon crawler, to index the content of the blog and understand what type of ads, what type of products we are exactly looking to display on our blog. So for our case, we'll be looking for weight loss and stuff. So and for ad location, we could either display our ads before the content or after the content is complete. So in our case, we're going to go for both of them, right? And we could select both the categories if you want by pressing the control button, or just one of them. We'll be doing the weight loss category here, and I'm going to click on activate. If you leave this activate option, this would create the campaign but not activate it. So in our case, we're gonna check this and create our first campaign. Now mind it, initially it's possible that whenever you create text ad campaign, the ads might not be very relevant to the keywords or to your blog's content. That is because probably your blog has not yet been indexed by Amazon. So it's gonna take a couple of hours, like probably 2 to 3 hours, before it starts displaying relevant ads on your blog. Now our campaign is created. You can view the campaign from view created campaign link here. You click on it. Here it is, our first campaign, text ad campaign with content above, displaying above the content and displaying below the content, and it's active. Yes. So I'm going to click on my blog here to open it up, and this is a blog. I already created a couple of posts here. I'm going to click on 2 things you should do to lose weight, and this should show up here. There. Now it's displaying Kindle ads right now, so it's going to take a couple of hours because this is a brand new blog for Amazon to index us, right? And then initially it'll start displaying the relevant ads to the keywords and to the content of the blog. I'm gonna go and open up the second post also and see how it shows up. Same thing here. It's gonna take some time and start showing you up the relevance. I'm gonna just open up one of these posts and see the layout of this ad here. Okay, see, it's coming closer, right? So in this, you see the Amazon.com is written in blue, right? Border is a bit grayish, and the privacy information is pretty grayish. I'm going to go and click on the ad unit back in the settings. Here we have like 3, 6, 9, almost 10 options here. So I'm going to see if I want to show the display the product image. Now if you see, the images are displayed here, so I can go and disable that. Hide product images. Okay, yes, show all prices or the Amazon prices only. I'm gonna stick with all the prices because that is going to help me display more of the ads, more of the products. When I click on this link, it'll open it up in the same window, right? So instead, what I want is it to open in a new window, right? So I'm gonna do that. I want a border. This is a border here, so yes, of course I want a border, so I'll stick with a border. Okay, the background color, I want a background color something different than the white, so I'm just gonna click on this and this tab would open up. Go with a light bluish background color. The normal text color, this is the normal text color, so I guess black would do perfectly fine on a blue background. Link text color. Now this is the text here and this is your link, so I'm gonna go with a red link, right? Red might look, I'm just displaying this. I'm horrible at styling things up. Well, the price tag, the price would be this part, right? So I want the price to be in what, yellow, sorry. Okay, and the Amazon logo, this one, I could be using the same here if I want to hide this, right? And I'm gonna go click on save option here. Go and refresh this, and here we are with a brand new style of ad location. Now if I want to hide this Amazon, what I'll have to do is I have to use the same ad border color with the Amazon character color. This would pretty much hide the Amazon, not common, if you want that, or you can obviously keep that. So the Amazon thing is pretty much hidden here, but you know, when you hover it up, it's still there, right? So this is a normal. I'm gonna go and increase the size, the exact campaign size here. I just clicked on edit and I'm gonna go with 615 to 520 because you know, this is what blends well with the blog theme that I'm using, the default WordPress blog theme. And here we are with a bigger text tag box, right? This box is the same, and here's another one right below the content. So this is how the text tag campaigns would be created. Now you can always click on create campaign and delete your campaign. Once you click on delete campaign, be sure to click on this link over here. Click here every time after deleting a campaign. So I'm just gonna click here. This would refresh the view campaign screen, and your all the other campaigns would definitely come back showing up, right? So well, this is it for the text ad campaign, guys. I'm gonna catch you up in the next video, and we'll take you through creating a couple of post ads and adding banners in the next video. Thank you for watching.